Welcome to paraffin and water bath, which is for paraffin embedding bath, you can also say. This is digitally controlled with a digital temperature PID controller, and where there is a main current is coming with the on off switch. This is off switch, on switch, and when the heating is going on, means this load is indicator when this will be glowing, then this temperature will be visible. You are now inside temperature is 37 degree. Now see this load is coming when the means heating is there. This also tells you heating. 27.8 degree inside it has already reached. This is the set temperature 37 degree. What are the different parts? Let me tell you. When one you have to use it, the chamber is again stainless steel chamber. This one you have to fill it up to this point, minimum about 1 inch or half inch below, so that all these tubes are fitted. This should always, this is a thermostat heater and a chamber for the slide warming. You can see slide, you can put the slides after putting them in ward, bath or block. Blocks can also put in this, it will be maintained. So when the water is there inside, the temperature will maintain. Never put this water bath on above 70 or 80 degree, because mostly wax melts in about 60 degree. So this is main chamber for putting water bath, wax here inside, and this one is a test tubes. You can put the test tubes for putting the wax in the chamber, or these are the 4 cups and 6 sleeves. These are 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6. 4 cups and 6 sleeves. There is another model with the 6 cups and 8 sleeves, another model with the 10 cups, another model, bigger one also there, where chambers are all bigger. This all body is stainless steel, top stainless steel chamber, and this is powder coated steel. Now let me tell you how this working is done. If you have to set the temperature, press it, it sets the temperature. I can set it 37.1 and then enter. It tells inside temperature is 31.2 degrees C, and here I have put it desired temperature 37.1. I can make it once again 37. I can reduce it, increase it, make it anything, and then back. Now it is again put on 37.1, 37 degree or 31.7 is inside temperature. Please visit the website. This is a heating, tells you the heating. This tells you main power. Now please visit the website and abron01@gmail.com. Subscribe to our channel and see the other videos of the different water baths available by Abron, and do send us your messages, suggestions and orders. Thank you very much.